Take a look at these images. Artificial intelligence is already here and it's going to keep improving and improving and improving. And if you don't learn how to use it right now, it's going to take away my job and your job as well. What I'm trying to say is AI is really amazing. Like, you can see the amazing things AI is doing, especially in the photography industry. Like, many photographers have started using AI to create stunning images, like really realistic images. I'm going to share some AI work of some photographers you're familiar with in a little bit. But before I do that, I just want you to know that AI is not something you should be scared about. It's something you should embrace and you should really learn how to use it. So photographers like Transformer Photography used AI to create some stunning images. And just look at this image right here. You can see how realistic this image is looking. And this image was generated using AI. And there are a lot of AI software you can use to generate images like this, but the most popular one and the most realistic one is called midjourney. If you use midjourney, you can get something like this, but you can just look at this image. It looked like this image was taken by an actual photographer, but this image was generated using AI. Take a look at this one as well. So you can see this other image right here. This image looks so realistic. You can see the background, you can see the way light falls on the image, you can see these textures and everything. This image looks realistic. And this image right here was not taken by an actual photographer. This image was generated by AI. And believe me when I say in 10 years time, AI is going to take over. It's going to be more advanced than this. 10 years is too far. Let's just give it 2 years from now. Everything is going to be done using AI. And if we don't embrace it right now and learn how to use it, it's going to really put us out of business. And also you can see this image right here. Now this is Felix Crown. We all know Felix Crown. He uses AI to generate this image right here as well. So you can see this AI image are looking just so realistic. And also, if I move to this one right here, this image right here was generated using AI as well. So if you just check on this Instagram page right here, you can see the name. Most of the images on this page right here are generated with AI and they are mind-blowing. Let me just search on this page right now and show you those images. So this is the page and these are some of the images generated using AI. So you can see this image right here. If I just zoom in, you can see how realistic this image is looking. Wow. Just look at these images. You can see how realistic. You can see how good they're looking. So these images was generated using AI. Just look at how realistic these images are. This is not a real photograph. This is AI generated image. I must say it's scary, but we just have to embrace it and really learn how to use it. It's very important for us to learn how to use it. So this image right here is another image generated by Transformer Photography. You can see this image looks so natural. Like it's so natural and you won't even tell if it's AI or not. And believe me, it's going to get so much better. You can see this image right, the rim light on the image. You can see the contouring, the micro dodge and burn and everything. You can see the catch light on the eyes and everything. This image is so stunning and it looks so real. Also, take a look at this image right here. You can see how this image formed. It's like these images right here are looking natural. Like someone actually take a picture of this person right here. And this is not a real person. This is AI generated image. So all the image I'm showing you are AI generated image. So you can see how the rim lights. You can see the green rim light right here. You can see the orange light right here. You can see the light on the face like it is smooth like that, and you can see the retouching as well. Everything looks so smooth and it has textures. So this is really amazing. And we all know Tosin Junaid. He generated this image right here with AI. So you can see how realistic this image is. You can see the lights falling from the sky and the dress and everything. It did not retouch this image in Photoshop. Everything was done using AI on midjourney. And if you want to learn how to generate AI images like this, you can use midjourney, which is what almost everybody uses and it gives the best result. Or you can use the Adobe Firefly, which Adobe just introduced. You can use that to generate AI image like this. But midjourney gives you more flexibility. It makes your image look more realistic. It gives you the best result after you just type in the prompts. All you have to do to create image like this is just type in the kind of image you want and it's going to generate the image. If you want to watch a tutorial on how to use midjourney, just search it on YouTube. And you're going to see a lot of tutorials on how you can use the midjourney to generate AI looking images like this. So you can start creating and you won't be left out. and also you can use it no matter how advanced it is. You can use it and attach it to your business so you won't run out of business when AI finally takes over. So I just want to share this with you guys. I've actually been working on an AI generated image myself, and I'll be sharing it with you guys very soon. And if this video was helpful, make sure to use a like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.